Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to discuss a problem called as reverse string. So this problem is asked in many telephonic interview as well as sometimes in the whiteboard screening interview. So basically, you will be given a string and you have to write a Java program to reverse a string, right? So this is like often asked questions in. So we should know how to reverse a string. So I'm just going to show you a quick way of how we can reverse a string here. So we have just like implemented one function called as reverse, and we are going to pass a string here, and we are going to use a string builder. And what we will do is we will just use one pointer j, and it will start pointing at the end of the string, right? So at the last letter of the string. So let's say this is our string, so I'm just going to paste it here for the explanation. So this is where we will start the j with, and j will go on the backward until it reaches the 0 character, right? And we will just append character to our string builder. So first we will append this r, then we will go here, then we will append this a, then we will go here, then we will append this c. So like that we will append all the characters, and we will just get a reversed string at the end. We will just use string builder dot toString method to get the string, right? Here we are just using the string builders append method, and we will append the character by character, and we will decrement j here. So let's first do the reverse part. So as you can see, the reverse string of race car is our string, right? So the same string we will get when you reverse the string, right? So at the same time, I also wanted to show you how to implement the palindrome and check if the string is palindrome, right? So what we can do is we can just use this reverse method, and we can reverse a string, and we can just equate that string with the original string, right? If the reverse string and original string are both equals, then it means that it is a palindrome. So in case of a race car, it is a palindrome because the reversed string and the original string both are race car. So let me just execute this code and show you that as you can see, this is the reverse string race car, and it is same as our original string. So it is saying that it is palindrome. Yes, true, it is saying. So now let us use some other string. We will just use Google, right? Google as a string. So when you reverse this, Google becomes like a reverse string, right? From the back side you will see this is the Google, and this is not the same as our original string, so is palindrome will be false in that case. So the time complexity to reverse the string will be order of n, right? Because we are going through all the n characters here in the string, and we are appending it to string builder, so its time complexity will be order of n. So this reverse function we should be able to write on whiteboard, if and also we should be able to explain this function in the telephonic interview. This is like a very basic question, generally will be asked more like to junior Java developers, or like a mid-level on telephonic interviews. So I just thought that I'll just share this with you. So I'm going to include this code also in my GitHub repository. You can take a look there. I'll give you the link in the description. So I often create videos regarding Java J2E interview related materials, and coding puzzles and solutions. So please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel to grow and reach to more people. Thanks for watching the video.